Hello everyone, I am Rohan Shirsagar. I am admitted here in Arthros Orthopedic Center Indore for treatment of my ACL and meniscus surgery. I was treated a couple of days back and then I was suggested to take 2 days rest. So it's been my third day here. As you can see to my leg, I was being operated here for these injuries. I was meniscus injury along with one ACL surgery. So the entire team of Dr.Vinay Tantuway and this Arthros Clinic is very good. They are very polite and they try to take bestest possible care for me. I am really thankful to the institution for their great cooperation, and all subsidiary services including the physiotherapy, post-operation assistance, they are very firm and they are very good to their own standards. All other facilities are in-house only. It's a 9 out of 10 recommendation by me. If you are having any such issues, kindly do pay a visit. I hope